According to China EV Post, CATL and BYD remain the top battery makers globally for the first half of 2024. Global battery consumption for electric vehicles reached 364.6 gigawatt-hours, a 22.3% increase from last year. CATL's battery installations hit 137.7 gigawatt-hours, a 29.5% rise from last year, securing a 37.8% market share. BYD's installations were 57.5 gigawatt-hours, up 22%, holding a 15.8% market share. LG Energy Solution ranked third with 46.9 gigawatt-hours installed, a 5.7% increase, but its market share dropped to 12.9%. SK On, CALB, and Samsung SDI followed with shares of 4.8%, 4.6%, and 4.5%, respectively. Japan's Panasonic, China's Gotion High-Tech, EV Energy, and Sunwoda rounded out the top 10. You are listening to Yuan News.